Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make brochure in Canva. So let's get into it. First of all, open Canva. Then go to Print Products section. Tap on the Stationery tab. If you scroll down a little bit, you will find the Brochure tab. Find the perfect template for your needs. Once you've found a layout you like, simply click and start customizing. Once you've found the right brochure template, you can easily tweak the layout to get it looking exactly as you need it to. Upload your own photos, rearrange text boxes and elements, and tweak fonts and colors in a few clicks. With Canva, the possibilities are endless. Experiment with different layouts, browse thousands of stock images and illustrations, try out different color and font combinations. All that's needed is your creativity. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.